Gem 3028. Let's do this thing. We're going to randomize this list to find out exactly which box we're opening. So we're going to copy that. Go over to our new list. Paste it in. No 12 on top there. We're going to randomize it one time. Whichever box is on top is the one we're opening. Here we go. Boop. 5 is the one. 5. That takes us down to 40, which makes about enough sense for me. Get rid of the randomizer and drop it exactly. I'm just going to post that link. Actually, I'll just start a little new Word document. Now we're going to put in exactly where you picked up your spots. The randomized team list. Here we go with that one. You don't have to be an ocean away. 5 times. Here we go.
You got box 5?
No, I don't yet. 1. This is the lowest one we've done so far. 2. 3, as you can tell by. 4. And 5. The top team is Sixers. Bottom team is Bulls. Geez, the Bulls have finished a few times in last. 5 times. Alrighty. Tab is about to bring with 5. Tabby shit the bed somehow here. In a world landmark shitting of the bed. He's.
What?
What are you doing? Maybe I should have gotten up and got this. There is box 05. Here we go. Oh, geez, nearly just knocked my splint off. That would. Well, we're done now, so you're all good. Here's the last one of the day. More listed. Get involved tomorrow. Oh, nice. Actually, I haven't seen one of these before. For the Rockets, Russell Westbrook on the horizon. That's sick. There's a lot going on in there. For the Rockets, that's very nice. Who's got old Rockets? Spot 12. Chris Waters. Congratulations, CW. I'm talking the network that hit show Riverdale's on. Which, you know, big fan. The Riverdale cast, big fans of me, Tabby. Yeah, as you know. I hope. Maybe they'll be at the hobby hangout. Ooh! Next one's pretty nice. Graded 8.5 Blue Velocita. Luka Doncic. Oh, everyone knows I love my Velocitas. 8.5 on the Lulu. Who's got the Mavericks? Maverick spot 29, Paul Coco. Congratulations. Of course, that is the unnumbered one from the retail hanger packs. Still super hard to come by. Congrats, Paul. P-A-T, P-A-T, P-A-U-L. That goes first. Next one. RPA booklet. Ooh, rookie patches booklet. We got to see this. We got to see this. I don't think anyone saw who it was. Well, they did, but I don't care either way. Kendrick Nunn for Miami. Oh. You got to be joking me. Spot 5, the Miami Heat. Jeffrey Gobbles, congratulations. That is gorgeous. What a card. 2 of 5. Beautiful. Very nice. Congrats, Jeffrey. I'll put that back in a little hole. All right, I'm struggling now. Because if you did miss the news, Blake got the call up to the old trip. Did you hear about that, Tabby? Did you hear I got the call up?
Yeah, how'd that happen?
I don't know. I think I complained enough, and then it turns out that I actually didn't really want to go because I have plans with Brookie. Oh, wow. Cam Reddish for the Hawks. 3 of 10 Mosaic rookie auto. That is gorgeous. Who's got the Hawks? He had pretty important plans with Brookie, but well, listen, that shit happens.
Ah.
Spot 11, Tony Pedro. Congratulations.
Did you know that was happening?
Yeah.
You just
No, I
forgot, or
no. I didn't even forget. Grayson was just like, "You're going and you have a job," and I was like, "Oh, okay." And I messaged Brooke and was like, "Ah, shit." Next, oh wow. Silver, Zion Williamson, rated rookie from Optic. Who has got Pelicans? Spot 6, Jeremy Stark. Congratulations. The trip up to Sydney. Congrats, Jeremy. Good home, man. Draw pictures with him on top. Beautiful. And then finally, legendary scripts, 1 of 1, Karl Malone. Damn. What? That is gorgeous. Spot 14, Steve Dorman. The janitor, the real sweeper, the cleaner. Steve Dorman picking up that beautiful card. The janitor picks up the mailman. Oh, Jack. And that is jam done for this evening.